Harmony, 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 harmony. Bliss. Harmony, harmony. Right now he's in this, so forget your sorrows till tomorrow. Don't let gravity possess you or control. Don't let it keep you down. Pick up your feet, let's leave the ground. Keep that evil underneath me, all that it can stay below. I gotta keep to the vibe. Never let these demons enter, keep them from inside. Be cautious, guard your heart, cause it's too often that you'll find the ones right by your side. Don't be blind, oh my. Your friends turn out to be foes, snitches spy, no lie. I'm trying to get lost in my own, in my own mind. Continuously in a zone, as time goes by, bye, 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 bye. Just let the time go by, bye, 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 bye. Let the time go by. Clear your visions from these issues, just be free, don't be anxious, let them go. And fall into the sound of these hypnotizing styles. Let the flow clog up your mind, let the rhythm take your soul. I gotta keep to the vibe, get into the mind, break so I can get them in a little bit of time. Hit them with a rhyme, kill them with a line. Try to make them feel it cause they're feeling it's divine. Little bit of light, little bit of shine. Elevate a little, levitate a little fly. Hit them in the middle, let me get you in the ride. Let me get in your mind.